Hi there. In this video, we will create a JavaScript function to calculate the sum of all digits in a given string. So you can see in given string, it is a mix of characters and digits. So we will find out the digits and create a function that will calculate the sum of given digits. So you can see the sum of given digits in this string is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Again, in this string, the sum should be 26, and this string do not have any digits, so the sum is 0. Okay, so we will create JavaScript function. And to do that, we will use regex, JavaScript regex regular expression. Okay, so let's go and create our function. So first of all, we will create our JavaScript function. We can give a name, calculate sum, for example, and using ES6 arrow function, we can create a function. Okay, now we will log and call this function. The first argument, we will pass this input. This is string, so double quote or single quote. Okay, so now what we have to do, first of all, we will create a loop, a for loop, and loop through all these elements. Okay, so for loop, let I is equal to 0, I less than the string dot length and I plus plus, that will loop through all the elements. And in this loop, we have to find which characters are string and which are digits. Okay, to do so, you can use regular expression. So this is this website which is very useful when you are working with regex. Okay, so now let's say we have this string. Okay, so this is test string, and to test you can pass your regex here. So what we can do, we can create a regular expression here, that is 0 to 9. Okay, so now you can see we got three matches, 1 2 3. Again, if you pass numbers, it will match our numbers. So using this regular expression, you can find if given character is string or number. Okay, so first of all, we will check if regular expression 0 to 9, and syntax will be like this. Dot test. Test is a function, inbuilt JavaScript function, and it returns the boolean value that indicates whether or not a pattern exists in a search string. Okay, so we need to pass our string I of, sorry, it should be s of I. Okay, and if this is true, so let's console that. So this is shortcut CLG for console log, and let's see what it returns. So you can see it is returning false because first character is not number. After that, it is returning true three times, that is 1 2 3, and again three times it is returning false, right? So this condition is true, I mean it is correct. Okay, so if this condition is true, then let me take one result or sum is equal to 0, initialize that variable from 0, and if this is true, then result plus is equal to s of I. Okay, but this is string, and you cannot create, or you cannot add or do sum on string. So to convert string into integer, you have to use one JavaScript function, that is parse int, that will convert a string into a number. Okay, so it will store calculation in this res variable, and let's simply return res. Okay, now you can see 6 is the result, 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is correct. Okay, so let me change, let me add one 9, it should be 15. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, let me change our string, so it should be 4 plus 7 11 plus 9 20 plus 6 26, and this is correct. And let's check with only string without any number, and it should return 0. Okay, so this is very simple yet powerful function that is very useful when you are creating any application, or this is very common question asked in interviews as well. When you are preparing for interview, this is a very useful function as well. So please note down this URL, that is regex101.com. You can find regex for many languages like PHP or Python, Java, and JavaScript as well. So using this simple JavaScript function, you can calculate the sum of all the digits in a string. Okay, so that is all for this video, guys. If you are new to my channel, please visit my channel. There are more than 200 videos uploaded on my channel. Most of the videos are related to JavaScript, CSS3, and WordPress. So have a look on this playlist. So once you go to this playlist, there are many playlists created. So first of all, let's see this playlist for CSS properties. So this uh, playlist is created specific for CSS properties which are available at this time. So there are 54 videos uploaded, and I'm planning to upload more videos, but till the date there are more than 50 videos, and you can have a look. I'm trying to explain all the properties which are available in CSS and with actual example. So if you are new to CSS and if you are struggling with how CSS and HTML works, then it is very good point to start. Okay, so you can have a look. Also, there is one more playlist. Yeah, this one. Here you can go through this playlist to learn CSS selectors. So there are 57 videos created in this playlist, and I tried to cover all the available selectors which are available in CSS, and there are many videos that is really helpful when you are actually using these selectors in your project or in your interviews. So please have a look on that playlist as well. If you are also working with WordPress, there are few videos, not much, but yeah, there are a few useful videos which I found maybe it will be very critical to have a look. So look at those videos as well. And this is the playlist which is very useful if you are just starting your career with web development. So JavaScript tutorials for beginners, 50 videos are there, and I'm planning to upload more and more videos with JavaScript, so you can learn JavaScript with actual examples. So I hope you will subscribe and you will keep supporting, and see you next time around. Bye.